Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this slick middle part bun. Let's get right into the video. So first, using my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Perfect 7 conditioning spray, I'm going to spray that all over my hair and then section it off. And then I'm going to use my Wild Hair Growth Oil and I'm going to put it on my scalp. And I'm going to blow dry my hair, blow out my hair. And I'm going to use my Dimming brush and my blow dryer on a warm setting. But this is how it looks after I blow out my hair. And now I'm just kind of parting my hair to see where I want my part. And I'm trying to just comb it back to see how it'll look after I part it. But I ended up going with the middle part. And then I have my little bun in the back. And now I am going to kind of fix the back because I feel like it could definitely be a lot neater. So I'm going to take my Edge Control by Lotta Body. I'm just going to use that to kind of make the back of my hair kind of neater than it is. So now I'm just brushing my hair back a little bit more because it looks like it needs to be brushed a little bit better. So now I'm going to take my first silk scarf and I'm going to wrap it kind of around the perimeter of my head. And I'm going to tie it not too tight, but I'm going to make sure it'll hold so it can kind of be neat when I take it off. And after that one, I'm going to take another silk scarf and I'm going to tie it more so on the top. Now I'm going to use this kinky Kanekalon hair and I'm going to wrap that around my little ponytail using a scrunchie. It's better to use scrunchies that don't have any metal in it, and it's better to use those like regular rubber scrunchies and not actual rubber bands. So I'm just going to take that scrunchie and I'm going to wrap it around my bun. And I'm going to wrap it twice to make sure it's secure. And then I'm going to take the hair and I'm going to take, I think I split it in about 3 pieces, and I wrapped it around piece by piece because if I would have done it all together, it wouldn't have looked as neat. So I did it in 3 pieces, and this is how the bun came out. So now it's time to take some bobby pins and fix it how I want it. Now it's time to fix my edges, and I did use Gorilla Snot gel to fix my edges. At first I did use Lotta Body's edge control, but for me that doesn't work, so I definitely had to use my #1 edge control, and that is Gorilla Snot gel. It is the one in the red bottle, in the red jar. I believe it's the Rockero one. And I use that to do my edges, and it definitely holds. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next one. Bye.